welcome back to my channel, Southern Yuki Beauty. Today I have my Ipsy unboxing for you. I did look in here last night because it came in late, like at, I don't know, like 7 or 8 at night. Really dreary day out today, so I have extra lights on because it has been like storming, like massive storming. But I want to get into this. I do want to start by saying I am missing an item in here. I did contact Ipsy because, you know, you can go on the app and see like what's in your box and review it and get points and stuff, which I never do. But I went on to see because I was like, I think I'm missing something, and I was. I am missing some sort of a truffle eye serum. I'll put it up here on the side so you guys can see that. And I assume they're going to send that out. But I do want to show you what I did get. So what is this? Set your calendar for the milestone. Check the Ipsy shop. It's always 30% off with new drops every Monday and new deals on Thursdays. So there is a flash sale going on now, 6/20 to 6/26, and then build your box 7/2 and 7/3. You get to choose 3 of your 5 full-size products. All right, so it gives you a little information about your stuff here, and it says this month for June, give yourself permission to play whether you're escaping on a summer vacay or exploring a brand new beauty look with your mood boosting makeup and happy hints of color. Remember, the world's your playground. Have fun. So to get to the theme, there's a little scan code here. So that's all we really have unless you go on the app. There's no more like papers in here telling you what things are and how much they cost. So what I'll do is I'll show you the item, and then I'll go on Ipsy and I'll grab the price and I'll put that up there so you can get an idea of the value of this particular box. All right. So the first thing that I got was this Origins Checks and Balances Frothy face wash. I have so many face washes. I wonder if this is like the easiest and cheapest thing for companies to like make and send out for boxes like this. I'm getting a little overwhelmed with how much cleanser I have. And there's no way to use it all. So I don't know if I will keep this. This might go in a stocking or a gift bag or a giveaway. I don't know, but it is by Origins, which is a good brand. So, I mean, I wouldn't mind using it. I just don't know if I can get to it. I have other ones that I want to get to first that are older. So anyway, let's just show you that so you can see well. All right, and then next up in the box, this is Double Dipper Color Duo by Half Caked. So let's take this out and take a look. Here's what the front looks like and the back, and it says Girls Tour, Double Dipper Color Duo Girls Tour. So let's open this up. Oops. All right, here we go. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Looks like a blush and a highlight. That highlight looks dark, but sometimes they look dark, and then when you put them on, they're not. So pretty pink blush. That's pretty. That's a nice matte shade. And then this almost kind of looks like a coppery rose gold to me. Yep, I feel like that's pretty much what it did. That might be a little dark, honestly, for me. I wonder if my sister could use that. She's got darker skin tone. She's got more olive skin tone. I wonder if that would be good for her. If so, maybe I'll pass that along because I have stuff I'm taking to her as well. Then this was another weird thing. I got 2 lipsticks. Did anybody else? We got a nudie pink and 2 femme. So these are the colors. In the same color family. I don't mind getting 2 lipsticks. This is the 2 Femme by Too Faced, and it's the Heartcore lipstick. So, I don't know if I've ever tried any of Too Faced lipstick. I'm trying to think if I have or not. I don't really know. So the package is cute. It's a little heart. Gold on the bottom, gold on the top. You do have the color on the bottom. And then, it's got a little heart on the inside with a little different color shade. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Okay, this feels more like a balm lipstick. Very pretty. That'll be nice for summer. Yeah, this seems like, it says it's a lipstick, but it seems like it's more of a balm to me. I don't know. Does it say? It says lipstick. I don't know. And then I got another lipstick, and then this one is from Treslus Beauty. This is a matte lipstick called Empower Me. guys heard about this brand? I don't know. I don't know. So let's see what we got here. This is a nudie pink, it says. Here, well, here's the package. Ooh, that's neat. If you're looking for a good matte, it looks like a pretty color too. So let's swatch this. Totally different types of lipsticks here, as you can see. One is very moisturizing and almost a little wet looking, like a balm, and then this one is very, very matte, maybe even a little drying. I don't know. It's not dry right now. Like what I'm feeling is not dry. It just looks it. So I like both those lipsticks, so we'll keep those. I do enjoy lipsticks. I have too many. I need to get rid of the ones I'm not wearing, but those look nice. And then I got this Toy Company doll paint duo kit. It's a black and brown gel eyeliner. I have never ever heard of this brand. Toy Factory. I don't know. But I always need liners. I feel like those go so quickly because I use them every day. And black and brown are my main colors. I mean, occasionally for like a video or something, I might put a pop of color in my waterline. Occasionally I don't use anything in my waterline. But typically I'm always like, even today I did like a little half. I didn't go all the way in with my top liner. I just like went half and just flicked it up a little bit. So I am always using liner regardless of what we're doing. Okay, so I thought it was in the same thing, but these are actually two different ones here. I gotta be careful because I gotta clean up. I'm going somewhere tonight and I don't want to have stuff all over me. So just a black liner, very, very simple, very creamy, and also you can see the very thin point. There we go. So brown and black. I'm starting for summer. I've been wearing a little bit more browns than black. I think it's a little softer for more mature skin. So those will be used for sure. And then the last thing I'm really happy to see in this box, to be completely transparent with you, I already have it. So this is probably going to be a gift for Christmas time for one of the daughter-in-laws or something. But this is the Natasha Denona Retro Glam Palette. I'm gonna open it so you can see it in case you're new to Natasha Denona. I'll put my link down below for Ipsy if you guys wanna try that, but I also have a link if you're interested in getting this on its own and you don't want the box, or you're interested in getting anything from Natasha Denona. I am now an affiliate with Natasha Denona, and if you use my link, you get 15% off anything on their website. So anyway, this is one of her newer palettes. It came out this year, I believe. I think maybe it came out last year. I think it was this year. I don't know. Anyway, here it is. Really beautiful. And I have really enjoyed, sorry about the dog, I really enjoyed this palette. Seeing it again, I'm like, ooh, I got to pull that back out. It created some beautiful looks. I mean, really, you're going to get a green look. You're going to get a rosy pink mauve look, or you do have some brown shades in here where you can get a neutral look. So those are really the three color families that you have in here. You can also do a neutral brown look and pop this pretty champagne color on. You can do brown with a pink lid. You could do brown with a pink. You could do green and pink together. Chopper, stop it. He is rubbing his butt on my corner of my coffee table right now. Stop that. That's disgusting and piggish. Stop, Chopper. Go lay down. Oh, he can't. The cat is laying on his bed. All right. Anyway, this is the last item because I didn't get the truffle. I think this retails now for $69, so 15% off will make a big difference in getting any of her palettes. And this is my favorite size palette that she does. So anyway, so excited to see that Ipsy is bringing the Natasha Denona. Would love to see some Pat McGrath too if they're listening. So let me know what you got in your box if you got it this month. I'm really curious to know if everybody got this or if it was like if people got different palettes. I gotta put him out because he's driving me nuts with that high-pitched squeal. I absolutely hate when he does that. I know it's annoying. So I'm gonna end this video. I know it's quick and short, but I wanted to show it to you guys, and I will see you all in the next video.